Look at this. Woo! Yes! I cannot wait to serve this deliciousness up. Hello, my healthy people. Yes, Maxinescorner was on vacation, and I am in the spirit of back to school. For those of you who have kids that are going back to school, or if you're going to work and you want some easy, simple recipes, I am here for you. I'm going to do some easy recipes for you. I went to the dollar store and I'm going to make a simple and easy one-pot pasta meal for you guys. Yes, using spaghetti pasta. I'll show you guys right here. This is the spaghetti pasta that we are going to be using. So this is a $5 meal. And guys, do not come for me if you see I add some extra stuff to it. These are spices that most people do have. Salt and pepper you do have in your kitchen cabinets, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and add up our prices. First thing I have is this stir fry blend, okay? And this is $1, so that's one. Then we have the pasta sauce, and I have traditional here. I also have a tomato paste just to thicken the sauce a little bit. I also have tomatoes. Sorry guys, I took it out of the can. Here you go. So it's 1 can of tomatoes. I also have my thin spaghetti pasta. And optional, because this would make it $6. This is completely optional, guys. This is some green whole chili. If you don't have this, you can also use pepper flakes, red pepper flakes as well, okay? Okay, my healthy people, so everything is on the stove top, but it's not turned on yet. So this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm adding my frozen veggie. Let's break it up. Use your hands, don't be afraid. Just break it up. Don't be afraid. Hey guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel, why not? Simple, easy recipes, as you may see here. I'm going to add my chilies. Now I'm going to add my pasta. And this is the thin pasta. Just go ahead and add it like this. So I added most of my pasta, as you may see, not the entire thing, but more than like about 85% to 90% of my pasta I added. So to that, I'm gonna add my tomato sauce. My tomatoes. Don't be afraid, guys. Maxinescorner's got you covered. 1 tablespoon of my tomato paste. So now I'm going to add a few spices to this, and I know you guys do not come for me. I'm just adding black pepper and some garlic powder and some salt, okay? And most of you guys should have this at home, and you can definitely get these in the dollar store. I'm using about a teaspoon of each, okay? And that's all the spices that I'm using. Oh, wait. All right, and I may add 2 bay leaves, but that's me. That's optional. That's completely optional. And then your salt, you're gonna salt for taste, but then we'll salt again later, okay? And salt is a must. To that, I'm going to add 4 cups of water. So that's what it looks like, and that's all you're going to need to make this delicious one-pot recipe for the entire family. Easy, simple, and delicious. If you love Maxinescorner, give this video a big thumbs up. I'm excited to be back to get you guys some delicious, simple, and easy recipes. I'm going to turn this on low heat. This is what it looks like. You may have to add a little bit more salt and pepper for your taste, or some more garlic powder, okay? So that's it. I'll be right back. Okay, my healthy people, it's starting to get a little simmer here. So we can press our pasta down. So yummy. And we have all our veggies. We have our carrots, we have our broccoli. Smells really good too, guys. All right, my healthy people, so let me go ahead and give this a taste, because we don't want a soggy pasta, okay? And I think we're going to be pretty much done here. Let me taste this. Okay, I taste it and it's perfect. I'm gonna stop here. This is your one-pot meal. Absolutely delicious, but you don't even taste the chili. This is our one-pot meal. I am going to add a little bit more salt to mine, because salt will bring out the flavors in this particular recipe. And that's pretty much it. You can use any kind of pasta that you want. I just use the thin spaghetti. And this is your delicious one pot meal. If you love this, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. It tastes delicious. I'm happy with it. The family will be happy with it. Everyone will be happy with it. $5, guys. $5. Did I say dollars? $5. Let's just get this over here and serve them up. Look at that. Looks so good. I cannot wait to dig into it. If you want, you can add, I do have some Parmesan, vegan Parmesan that I made. I'll link that video for you guys. And I'm just going to add that to it. Absolutely delicious. There we go. And you add your Parmesan. So that is what it looks like. Absolutely delicious. You're going to love it. Your family's going to love it. And there's so much left over. Look at that, guys. $5. Feed the entire family. It's a simple and easy recipe. One pot. And what else can I say? What else can I say? You tell me. That's it. Yeah, that's what I can say. That's it, guys. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And when you do, hit that little bell so you can get your notification. And say it with me. Go on. You know what it is. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Stay healthy.